Hello everyone, today I am going to talk about the wind energy. It's a mechanical engineering. Renewable energy is topmost priority, especially ongoing wind or solar. So I am going to talk about this wind atlas where it shows the different wind condition in different position. And for this project, for this assignment, I got to know about that. Okay, so I will go through this website and I will go through my assignment. How did I do this and how can we know about the wind condition in different places? Okay, let's go. To go through the everything, we know that electricity isn't just generated from the hydropower or wind or solar. So we are generating electricity from the coal, natural gas. Okay, maximum from the coal, which is very harmful for the environment. So we need to move forward to wind. If you wanna see the good environment in future, okay, that's all. This is so to talk about the fundamental or the core engineering thing. We need to know that power increases with the wind speed. Okay, if you have a good wind speed, we will have a good power, but it's only up to limit. Okay, it shows that for a specific condition the wind turbine works from the cutting speed and it works good in rated wind speed. Okay, with it's from 12 to 25, but after 25 it's shut down. It cannot work more than that because we have one our limitation. We cannot work in every speed. And also know that in another figure, wind speed increases with the height. When we go to the more and more height, wind speed is increasing because as you know in the lower surface we have many obstacles like the trees, house and many things. Okay, so in this project I am going to talk about the Ethiopia. Okay, as an engineer, if I have to install the wind factory there to get the electricity, okay, what do I need? What do I need? Oh, so I need to conduct the site seismic analysis. So this comes to the surface. I don't know where is this, but yeah, it's in Iraq. Iraq is a specific place. I don't know which place. We will get the in this area. What is the speed for 100 meter only? What is the speed for 200 meter from the height from the ground? It will show frequency rose from it will say how much frequency, how much frequent the wind energy. It will show that, and we got the density rose. Let me go through this. It's left, right, yeah, okay, and we got the wind speed. Okay, we'll go to different results from here, and also we have a speed, different speed measures from in different time in 10 minutes. I have more and more data, which is the wind speed at specific height. Okay, so I have to get the data from here. This is the physical data and compare with the website data and evaluate and make suggestion turbine, which turbine would be best for that condition. Okay, so for different height I got these different results. Okay, this is the thing that I got, and as you know that as I am seeing this is for 10 meter height only. Okay, and figure shows that this is the direction. So it shows that only southwest area have the maximum speed. This is the southwest. Okay, southwest area has the maximum speed. other area doesn't have that much of speed. So we have to know that. And this is for different height. This is high one, right? And we also got to know about the ruggedness index, where we got the power density. Okay, here from here we can get for different class. Here in train side we can get the roughness length. Okay, just here for different height. Okay, for different height. Here we have different height. This is very friendly and useful website. Okay, so I got different data from here. So I calculated the capacity factor. Okay, I calculate capacity factor. It says this annual expected output. Okay, and from our real value, we have the real value. So from there I calculated, I averaged down everything and calculate for different IIT speed. I also calculate the capacity factor from there. Okay, as you can see, I use different distribution method. Okay, and I have the wind conditions like there. At 60 meter height, I have only 7.3. Okay, 100-meter height, I have 7.9. Okay, this is the wind speed that we need, and we have three different turbine which have got which have this specification like the cutting speed, rated speed, cutoff speed. So we have to choose one from this. From Excel, for the 70-meter height, velocity is 7.5, and also from Atlas 7.82, which is almost close. So we are going to choose our turbine. First turbine has only cotton is 3 meter per second, but second has 3.6 and rated speed 12.5. But for the first rated speed is 16, so which is too much. For the last, which have rated speed only 15. The turbine is mostly work on rated speed, so only second turbine at 12.5, which is close to 7.5. So I recommend second turbine is very good for that. So I calculated uh, speed from the Atlas, from the website, from the our real data, and I managed to come to the conclusion that second turbine is good because the rated speed is close to our needed requirement. So that's how I concluded my results. Thank you.